So as we come outside, we're underneath the first floor deck. In this case, we finished the underside of the deck with a rainproof system to create more of a covered porch space. We've got the natural stone walkout walls. We've got these massive stone pillars with our 8x8 hand-hewn timber sitting on top of them. And over here, we've got an even wider stone base with the double pillars. What's nice about this design too is we pushed the stairs off to one end of the home. That allowed us to have this unobstructed view without having the staircase blocking any of the windows or patio doors. Up on the main deck, we've got even more exterior features to talk about. As we're coming up the stairs, you'll notice we used maintenance-free railing outside. This home features Golden Eagle's double-hewn 4x12 hand-hewn siding. We've got 4x10 trim going around the side and the bottom of the windows with 4x12 across the top. Really just adds some more dimension. This home also features a little bit darker stain on the trim than what you see on the siding. It allows that contrast. We also pick up some of that darker stain on all the newel posts. We're featuring 3-foot overhangs and they're sloped soffit as opposed to the standard soffit. At the peaks, you'll notice we extended from 3 feet out to 4-foot overhangs, really just adding a lot to that curb appeal. Another nice thing about this design is instead of large patio doors in your feature wall, we did a single swing door off to the side. Still gives you great access out onto the deck space, but then allows the feature wall full of windows. The deck surface is maintenance-free evergreen decking. We've got massive 12x12 vertical corners. And as we make our way to the feature wall, you can really appreciate the size of the trim, framing out these large picture windows, creating this feature wall. One thing that's kind of hard to understand standing on the deck is just how tall this home stands. From the walkout level to the top of the roof, this home is 36 feet tall. As we come around to the front of the home, you're instantly greeted by this oversized 3-bay garage. Now this isn't your ordinary garage. We've got this timber frame eyebrow roof. It's got this massive 12x12 header with 6x12 rafters coming off, framing it out. And just above the eyebrow roof, we've got Golden Eagle's hand-hewn board-on-board siding, playing with a little bit different tones. We went to a brown tone light up there as opposed to the brown tone medium on the siding. And just above that hand-hewn board-on-board siding, we've got a custom mortise and tenon truss tucked underneath the extended overhang. As we wrap around to the front of the home, we're featuring that same timber frame roof that we saw as an eyebrow roof over the garage, but now it's acting as our front covered porch. Right above that, we've got these large windows that let in all this natural light pouring into the kitchen. And on top of those windows features another mortise and tenon truss. The client came to us with a lot of inspiration. They've been watching a lot of our videos and really leaned on the Golden Eagles design team to put all those ideas together. So if you're thinking about building a custom log, timber, or barn dominium style home, give us a call.